everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a room tour of the Hotel Ibis at Charles de Gaulle Airport. This is the one at Terminal 3. There's a couple of Ibises, so just make sure that this is the Terminal 3 one. I don't want to sort of mislead anybody at all. You can literally walk to it from Terminal 3. Basically head out the door, turn right, bam, it is directly there. So I'm on the 4th floor in room number 433, so let's get to it. Let there be light. So when you walk in, it's very compact. Straight away, you've got your hanging space. You've got some hanging space there. And you've got a nice spare pillow. Continuing onwards, I'll just sit on the bed. You've got a nice big TV. Again, I don't know what this could be used for. Hanging things? Magazines? I don't know. We've got my suitcase right here. If we just shuffle on round, you've got actual hangers on this side. So they've actually split it in half, which is quite nice because then you can sort of get double the storage really, which is very nice. Up above the door, there is an air con, which you can use from here. I'm going to leave it off because we are in December right now. If I spin round, we have the bed. Now, the bed is kind of in the way when you open the door. It's very, very tight. These rooms do exactly what they say, that an airport stop off. No one's really going to be staying here for multiple nights. So, nice double bed with my Mickey padlock on it. This will definitely do the job. And it felt quite nice when I just sat on it as well. Over here, as you can see, there's lights on each side. You've got the remote control for the TV, my glasses. You have a TV, you have a phone with, of course, all of your little things on it right there. Feel free to pause to check out all of those things. Everything is normally, by the way, in English and in French, obviously. You've also got a couple of plugs there. That's nothing. You get this little thing here that just tells you about all of the restaurants. I will say one thing, I just ate in Le Terrasse, which is a buffet. I would not recommend it, the choice was appalling. And nothing was really labelled properly either. So, yeah, don't recommend it. Anyways, enough of me bad-mouthing the food. We have a lovely desk space here. Nice chair, you've then got 3 shelves right here. You've got a little stool. I've got a couple of pairs of shoes here. A very thick blackout blind, and outside this is my view. So you've got, this is the entrance. So I walk down here and the entrance for the hotel is just here, and if you can see, just that way is the way to Terminal 3. Literally a 2-minute walk and you're in the building. As for the bathroom, it is tucked behind this very old-fashioned door. It's very compact as well. The light switch is on the outside. So we have the shower. Oh, it's 2 separate opening doors. Okay, so the shower can hang here and obviously up here as well. There's a little shelf for any of your little toiletries you might want. There's also a face, body and hair. I don't like when they say they do all of them or they do all of your body. I don't really like that, but I will have to use the shampoo side of it because I had a bit of a traumatic experience with my shampoo. But we won't go into that here. Got a couple of lights either side of the mirror. We've got me, hello. Nice big sink. Again, you can pop some toiletries here, just your toothpaste on your toothbrush. We've got a nice bath mat and again a bin underneath the sink. You've then got your toilet in the corner. We've also got toilet roll. We've got a couple of plastic cups, a hairdryer. Ladies or gents who use hairdryers, I don't know if that sounds good or not. The most pointless window in the world. And a couple of hooks here. If you bring a dressing gown, hang that up there. I don't really know what you would hang up here, but I've got my Mickey toiletry bag, which just hangs open like that. And that is the room. So I hope you found this room tour helpful of the Ibis Hotel at Charles de Gaulle Airport. This is the one at Terminal 3. It's known as the Roissy Pole one. I will pop the spelling of it right on the screen right now for you all, just so you get the right one. There are multiple ibises. There's obviously, if you're familiar with the ibis chain, you have ibis budget, which is the cheapest. There's ibis styles, and then there's just plain normal ibis. They're all color coded. Ibis is red, ibis styles is green, and ibis budget is blue. You can get to other ibises. The terminals, the airport does shuttles, free shuttles, to take you to various multiple hotels that are scattered throughout the vicinity of Charles de Gaulle Airport. The airport is absolutely massive. I paid about £70 British for this room, and I booked it 5 months in advance. But if I'd chosen to stay at one further away, I would have paid less. I picked this for convenience and because it's closer. So it depends whether you want to spend the extra money to stay closer to the terminal building. This time I decided, yes, I wanted to do that. Anyways, I'm slightly rambling on now. I hope that you found this video helpful if you've stumbled upon it, and if you've never seen my channel before, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video and it has been helpful, please do give it a big thumbs up for me. It would mean the absolute world. Comment down below if you've ever stayed at a hotel at an airport before, or if you stayed in this particular one or any other around the Charles de Gaulle area. And if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button to check out lots more content on my channel that's already up, and all the stuff still to come. I've been Disney Matt, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you real soon. Bye for now.